Teams can be used to work collaboratively in a workplace where you and your team can securely edit files at the same time, make voice and video conference calls, and see likes, mentions, and replies instantly. It can also integrate with all Microsoft Office programs. Teams is an app that helps you pull together a team and work together using chat instead of email and channels instead of file folders. So how do you get started? To create a team, go to Teams and select Join or Create. Select Create a Team. For most uses, you would choose the option Staff or Other. Add the name of your team. You can also add a description of what your team's group will be focused on. You can choose to either make the team private or public. To add people, you can either type in an individual's name or distribution list. Then when you have added your members, select Add. You will now have successfully created your team's group. From here, you can send messages, reply to them, and also mention people. You can also share files within your team. To make voice and video calls, go to the camera in the bar at the bottom of the screen. Here you'll have the choice to do a voice call or a video call. Also, using your calendar, you can create a scheduled meeting including members of your team. Plus, you can also add tabs. And here, you can create things such as Word documents that you can work together on collaboratively. For more help on how to use Teams and other issues, go to support.ntu.ac.uk.